evening. Welcome to our channel Yushi Talks. And today we are going to talk about the claims made by Oath Keeper that she met with Secret Services before the Capitol riots. We have a lot of details around this. Please continue to watch this video and also subscribe to our channel. Let's get started. A member of the far right Oath Keepers charged with rioting at the US Capitol met with Secret Services agent before the siege and received a VIP pass to the rally where then President Donald Trump spoke, according to a court filing. The defense attorney for Jessica Watkins said in Saturday's filing that the Oath Keeper was in Washington, D.C. to provide security for the speakers at the January 6th rally, where she stood within 50 feet of the stage. Watkins is one of the 9 people linked to the Oath Keepers charged with conspiring to block the certification of the election results in the most sweeping indictment prosecutors have issued so far in the investigations into the violence at Capitol. The filing requests Watkins had a more formal role than previously known at the rally, where hundreds of Trump supporters gathered before walking to the Capitol and forcing their way inside. In asking a judge to grant Watkins bail, the lawyer public defender Michelle Peterson said that the government's filing in the case are filled with rhetorical flourishes designed to inflame the passions of its readers without supporting any evidence. Watkins was present not as an insurrectionalist, but to provide security to the speakers at the rally, according to the filing. The Secret Service did not immediately respond to a request for comment on the nature of Watkins' meetings with the agents. The filing also blamed Trump for contributing to the violence, a strategy lawyers for many of the accuser rioters have pursued in court. Watkins believed that the President of the United States was calling upon her and her small militia to support the President and the Constitution, the filing said. She was ready to serve her country in that manner. So that's all we have in today's news. Please continue to watch this space for more details and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching me. You have a wonderful day ahead. Bye bye.